Right, it's 7:30 in the morning. We've had a wee change of plan today. Yesterday we said we was going to take the subway to the bus station, but it would mean a 20-minute walk the other way and then a wait, etc. So Carol reckons if we catch a 13A, it's going to get us to the bus station, so we'll get to try that. Okay. We had a bit of a disaster this morning. Carol was in a shower and then came out the shower and the whole bedroom was flooded, right under the bed, under the wardrobe,
out to the hall,
even out to the hall. So we tried to mop it up as best we could, and then because we were running late today, we said to the guy downstairs we've had a bit of a disaster. So we went away for our breakfast, came back upstairs, and it was cleaned, new towels, mopped up, excellent. So this hotel's had a wee bit of a bad rep in some of the trip advisors, but so far we can't fault it at all. So we're away to catch a bus now with 13A. Hopefully it takes us straight to the bus station, and if no, that'll be another cock up for Carol.
Can we not do this while we're crossing roads?
Why?
Because
Bit of danger.
It didn't go so well.
Oh, it's the worst that could happen. Right, we just caught that 13A bus from just outside our hotel, straight to the station. So Carol scored this time. She wanted me to give her credit online, so just to make up for her cock up this morning. But no, it turned out really good. I'm not sure how you validate the ticket, though. We bought the tickets online. I'm not
QR code.
Yeah, the QR code we've got, but I'm not sure how you validate it. So, Vicky, we'll have to look into that. So now we're 2 minutes away from the bus. The bus leaves at another half an hour yet, so plenty of time. So yesterday when we came out doing the recce to see where we're going this morning, we aimed for the main train station over there, and beside it is the bus terminal. But we couldn't find the platform that turned out that that's the regional bus terminal. So right across the road here is the international terminal. So here's your A and B platforms, and that is the bus to Bratislava. So we're away to catch that. It's about an hour and a half trip to get a fridge magnet. Right, we're on the bus now to Bratislava. We all queued up at the front door. The driver took an age to let everybody in, and then opened up the side door, the middle door. So everybody was queued up at the front, then had to make a mad dash to the middle. But we're on the bus now. We're up at front, I'll show you. So that's our view all the way to Bratislava. Right, that's us arrived in Bratislava in Slovakia. The bus took, it's an hour and a half. It's a cracking bus. It's just behind us here. Now this is the bus terminal at Nivy, and it's actually underground. It's quite spooky. It's massive underground. So we're going to have a wee wander. We're catching the bus back at 7:30. So it's only 10:30 now. So we've got a few hours to get lost in Bratislava. So see where we go. Right, we're on the way we're trying to find the old centre. Actually, I think we'd be better off getting off the stop before Nivy Bus Station. Like I say, we've got about 8 hours to cross the road. Mind you, the speed car is walking, we could be running about Bratislava 3 or 4 times. Just trying to get away from a shitty dog, apparently.
Don't put yourself down, dear.
There was a guy walking his dog. I never noticed, but apparently there was dog shite hanging off its backside, and she started running to get away from this dog. I couldn't keep up with her, I just gave up. And now she's getting stressed out about the state of the boys' house.
I like the way you make me sound erotic.
Cheesecakes.
So this is a city gate.
Yeah. Oh wow. Right, we're still wandering about in Bratislava, but we've just booked one of those hop on, hop off buses for 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll just go for a wee wander. I think we'll go down by the Danube and get something to eat.
In the 17th century, Primas Juraj Lipkai had a luxurious Renaissance garden with fountains, sculptures, and a summer house built behind the palace. It's 111 meters high. There are 23 elevators, and of these, 6 express elevators are located in the round 7 meters high. It is devoted to the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. On the left side, you can see the houses of the state hospital from the year 1857. Now we are passing Bansko-Bystrica Street. Once upon a time, it was a dirt road leading to fields, gardens, and vineyards on the foot of the small Carpathian mountain. On the right,
when she was 4 years old, she was betrothed to Ludwig or Ludovic, the Count of the German Principality of Thuringia. So he decided to create a new residence, a fortress here in Bratislava, which was known as Pressburg, a Hungarian city.
We've been on the little city bus tour, no, the castle bus tour. So now we're up at the castle. We've got 20 minutes. So we'll just go for a wee wander around here, try and miss the bus back.
Je bliža? Okay.
Citizens, gypsies, and part of the Jewish neighborhood lived here. St. Martin's Cathedral, a Gothic-style building from the 14th and 15th centuries. The crown on top of the tower commemorates the coronation's conductor. The royal crown, a gilded replica of the Hungarian royalty, weighs 300 kilograms and rests on a square-shaped, 2-meter-long pillar. The spire is 85 meters high. During 1563 to 1830, this was the coronation site.
Twenty to 6. We're still in Bratislava. We've got almost 2 hours to wait to the bus, but we're so bloody knackered. We're just going to sit and drink coffee between now and then, are we?
Yes.
I would turn the camera around, but Cara looks as if she's getting ready to cry. She's so tired. My Garmin says we've walked 6 miles, but that's only the bit that I remember to put the watch on. Not on the positive side, we've got a fridge magnet.
Yay!
Right, so here's our efforts for the day. Here's our fridge magnet.
Bratislava Castle.
Right, that's us back in the room. We've had a 15-hour jaunt over to Bratislava today. It's been very tiring, so we've just come back to the room, straight to our beds. We're enjoying a couple of cans of Slovakian beer. So if you've liked the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.
Slange. Slange.
Here's magnet number 1 for more holidays.